We're installing underground detention. So it's basically an underground pond. It's a StormTech system by ADS MC7200. The reason that we need this is because we're developing this land and turning it into multifamily housing, taking the grass and forest and changing it into impermeable area. So a lot of the water runs off the roofs and the asphalt parking lot into a pond, and this one's an underground pond, which will eventually have a parking lot over it. We've got a big excavation. We're dropping the arch chambers in. They weigh about 120 pounds each. We drop them in and we place them in rows according to the plans, and that's what the guys are doing now. We started by putting in an isolator row. So there's an inlet structure over there as those guys are working on, where all the water comes into that inlet structure, and it hits that first row that's up against the side of the excavation. That is the isolator row. So that's where most of the water comes in, the first flush comes in, and it goes into that chamber and it goes through the fabric down below, and then it gets into the stone, and then it comes into all the other chambers that you see there. Eventually there's going to be a bypass manifold so that if this first isolator row gets clogged up, it will, when it gets to a certain level, it's about 2 feet of water, it'll go into a manifold, and that's the next 3 chambers. So water will also cascade into those 3 chambers, and we've got scour protection fabric under there. So the water's gonna fall about 2 feet, land on the scour protection, and not scour up the stone to keep the system healthy. When we are all done, this system's gonna be backfilled with stone. So everything gets covered with stone, and it's in a very particular way to make sure the system stays safe and intact. So there's a concrete structure over here, which is the outlet structure. So all the water that fills up in here will be released through this outlet structure slowly. It'll flow into this outlet structure, and then it goes off-site and gets handled however the engineers in the city have decided to do it.